माने मु आज गोटे टिप सिखेबी ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन रो इंटीग्रेशन केमति नबा। देखो इन केस ऑफ 0 to a ब्रैकेट ऑफ x to the power n into dx, 0 to a bracket of x to the power n into dx, एटी देखो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन इज डिस्कंटीन्यूअस एट द पॉइंट वेयर इट इज एन इंटीजर। ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन टा सेठी डिस्कंटीन्यूअस जोटी इंटीजर जोटी इंटीजर हो तो सेही पॉइंट रे हमको ब्रेक करिया पड़ो। तबे x टू द पावर n टा जोटी जोटी इंटीजर सेठी सेठी मते ब्रेक करिया पड़ो। चार ए गुटे नेचुरल नंबर a बिलोंग्स टू हमें कोन करबा ना x रो पावर एमती नबा x रो नंबर वैल्यू एमती नबा जेमती x टू द पावर n टा इंटीजर हो। ताले केम देबी 0 to 1 bracket of x to the power n into dx plus 1 to 2 to the power 1 by n bracket of x to the power n into dx plus 2 to the power 1 by n to 3 to the power 1 by n bracket of x to the power n into dx plus dot dot plus finally ये आसीबो एटी गुटे वैल्यू कोन आसीबो ग्रेटर इंटीजर ऑफ x to the power n into dx। काहे कि मु 2 to the power 1 by n जदि एटी लिखिबी x जगह रे ताल पावर n अछि एटा 2 हे जिवो तो गोटे इंटीजर आसी गला तो सेही अनुसार मते ब्रेक करिया पड़ो। तबे आ पर क्वेश्चन आसुची इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 20 ब्रैकेट ऑफ रूट x into dx फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 2 ब्रैकेट ऑफ रूट x into dx। थर्ड क्वेश्चन integration from 0 to 2.15 bracket of root x into dx। Just change it to square, just change it to square, right? Look at 0 to 20 bracket of root x dx, here n is 1 by 2 तो 1 by n is what 2 तेणु सब इंटीजर पावर मु 2 नहीं के जीबी सब इंटीजर पावर केते नहीं के जीबी 2 नहीं के जीबी। अच्छा फर्स्ट नेली केते फर्स्ट नोची 0 to 1 ब्रैकेट ऑफ रूट x into dx प्लस 1 root 2 square means 4 2 square bracket of root x into dx plus 2 square to 3 square bracket of root x into dx plus 3 square means 9 3 square to 4 square bracket of root x into dx 4 square to 4 square means 16 to 20 bracket of root x into dx काहे क्या अधिक जाई परिबिनी एथि बाई बिकॉज़ द इंटीग्रेशन इज अप टू 20 इंटीग्रेशन इज अप टू 20 राइट। तापरे एटी मु लोअर वैल्यू पकेबी जोटा मिनिमम वैल्यू दबा सेटा ही पकेबी रूट रे 0 पकेले मिनिमम वैल्यू दोची तेनु 0 to 1 into dx plus एटी 1 to 4 dx तापर एटा 2 स्क्वायर 4 ले 2 4 to 9 dx एटी 3 स्क्वायर रूट ओवर 3 टा बाहर गसी गला 9 to 16 dx प्लस एटी 16 नो स्क्वायर हला 4 16 to 20 dx। फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन वैल्यू तो 0 है जीवो प्लस 1 into एटी dx रे इंटीग्रेशन केते x माने कोन लिखिबी 1 to 4 एट लिखिबी 2 into x 4 to 9 3 into x 9 to 16 plus 4 into x 16 to 20 so that is equal to 1 into 4 minus 1 2 into 9 minus 4 3 into 16 minus 9 plus 4 into 20 minus 16 so it is equal to 3 plus 10 plus 21 plus 16 final value is 19 20 20 40 50 this is the final answer, right? Next come to bracket of x square dx, it is from 0 to 2 come to second bit bracket of x square dx from 0 to 2 look at पिला माने x square टा जोटी इंटीजर हबो मु सेठी ब्रेक करबी 0 रू एटी n केते 2 तो 1 by n नबाकू पड़िबो 1 by n केते 1 by 2 1 by 2 नेबी 0 रू 1 to the power 1 by 2 bracket x square dx 1 to the power 1 by 2 is 1 1 to 2 to the power 1 by 2 means root 2 bracket x square dx plus root 2 to root 3 bracket x square dx plus root 3 to 4 bracket of x square into dx. Root 4 root 3 to root 4 means 2 2 रे क्लोज करबाको पड़िबो because upper value is 2 तापर मु लोअर वैल्यू पकेबी ब्रैकेट ऑफ 0 स्क्वायर 0 रू 1 dx 1 स्क्वायर 1 रू 2 1 रू root 2 dx root 2 रो स्क्वायर 2 root 2 रू root 3 dx root 3 square 3 root 3 root 2 dx. First is 0, next is 1 into dx integration x, it is 1 to root 2, 2 into x, it is root 2 to root 3, and it is 3 to x, it is root 3 root 2. So it is 1 into root 2 minus 1, 2 into root 3 minus root 2, plus 3 into 2 minus root 3. Finally you find that 5 6 minus 5 1 5 minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3. This is the final answer, right? This is all about the integer greatest integer function of this. Now you can integrate the last one also. Same the हमें last part तक कौन तो integration करी परिबा केमती it is from 0 to 1 bracket of x square dx plus 1 to root 2 bracket of x square into dx plus root 2 to root 3 bracket x square dx plus root 3 root 2 root 4 is 2 root 4 means 2 bracket of x square dx and root 4 to root 4 means 2 to what is the value of root 5? Root 5 रो value कितने? Root 5 value is root 5 is nearly equal to 2.29 all this. So we write up to 2.2 to 2.15 bracket of x square into dx, right? So now you can simplify it similarly. It will same thing upper simplify kari paribo this the and you will get the final answer, right? This is all about the greatest integer of algebraic functions. Now come to greatest integer of trigonometric functions. Greatest integer function of trigonometric functions. How to integrate greatest integer function of trigonometric function? Come to one simple example. 0 to 2 pi bracket of 0 to pi bracket of 2 sin x dx. Tell me where 2 sin x will be integer in between 0 and take it to 2 pi. Look at where sin x is 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2, there it will be an integer, and where sin x is an integer, 2 sin x is also an integer. So we break like this: 0 to pi by 6 sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 2, it will be an integer. So 2 sin x dx plus pi by 2 to pi by 6 to 0 to pi by 6 2 sin x dx, pi by 6 to pi by 2 2 sin x into dx plus pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6 sin pi by 6 what 1 by 2. So we break at the pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6 2 sin x dx plus integration from 5 pi by 6 to pi, because sin pi is 0 is an integer, to bracket of 2 sin x dx and if you go up to this, not to up to pi, 2 pi, take it pi, so this will be the final, and you take the value where it will be minimum. 2 sin x will be minimum at 0 or at pi by 6, you choose it. If it is minimum at 0, then you put 0. If it is minimum at pi by 6, then you put pi by 6. So look at it is sin 0 आसीबो, sin 0 0, तो एटा 0 आसला. एटी pi by 6 पुट कले sin pi by 6 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 1, upper value maximum, lower value minimum होतला, तो lower value पकेली. So it is bracket of 2 sin 0 0 to pi by 6 dx plus upper value lower value पकेली sin pi by 6 1 by 2, तो bracket of 2 sin pi by 6 0 to pi by 6 to pi by 6 to pi by 2 dx plus, look at, if you take sin pi by 2 is 1, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, तो 1 put करे, this is 2, pi by 6 5 pi by 6 put करे डाला 1, तो मिनिमम वैल्यू अपर रे देला, मु अपर वैल्यू पकेबी 2 sin 5 pi by 6 बाहर को आसी गला 0 to ना pi by 6 put 2 to 5 pi by 6 dx plus 5 pi by 6 put कले 1 दोची, pi put कले 0 दोची, अपर वैल्यू पकेबी 2 sin pi bracket value 5 pi by 6 to pi dx. So एटी फास्ट 0 आसिला, sin pi by 6 1 by 2, 2 ले 1, एटी dx फाइन लिखली pi by 6 minus pi by 2, एटी 2 sin 5 pi by 6, sin pi by 6 1 by 2, 2 सहित हले हेला 1, तो एटी 1 into dx इंटीग्रेशन x pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6, 2 sin pi एटा 0, तो सेटा 0 लिखली. So it is pi by 2 minus pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 6 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2 cancel हेला, 5 pi by 6 minus 5 by 6, 4 pi by 6, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is the answer for first bit. This is all about the integration of greatest integer functions.